In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MetaMask to Exodus. This process allows you to access your existing MetaMask wallet in the Exodus Web3 wallet. Let's dive right in. First, you need to install and open Exodus Web3 Wallet. You can find it on the official Exodus website or your device's app store. Once you have it installed, open the application. You will be greeted by a user-friendly interface. This step is crucial because Exodus serves as your gateway to manage your assets effectively. You'll notice the design is sleek and modern, making navigation simple. Once you see the main dashboard, you're ready to proceed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you wish, as this will help you feel more comfortable moving forward. Next, select the option that says, I have a wallet. This choice indicates that you already have a wallet set up, specifically your MetaMask wallet. It is an important step because it directs you to the next phase of importing your wallet's details. Once you tap this option, you will be prompted for your secret recovery phrase. This phrase is essential for accessing your existing funds securely. Remember, this is a critical moment, so ensure you are in a secure environment while performing this action. Now, enter your MetaMask 12-word secret recovery phrase. Make sure to type it accurately, as even one incorrect word can prevent access to your wallet. The screen will show you the input fields where you can enter your phrase. This step is significant because it connects your MetaMask wallet to Exodus. After entering the phrase, double-check it for any typos. Taking this extra moment can save you a lot of hassle later. Once you feel confident in your entry, you can proceed to the next step. After entering your recovery phrase, select the Restore button. This action signals the wallet to begin the restoration process. You may see a loading indicator as it works to sync your wallets. This moment is crucial as it ensures that your MetaMask funds and assets are now accessible in Exodus. You'll notice a confirmation message appear once the restoration is successful. This reassurance confirms that you are on the right track. Next, create a password for your Exodus wallet. This password will protect your wallet from unauthorized access. Choose a strong password that combines both letters and numbers. The screen will guide you through this process, often with criteria for what makes a secure password. This step matters because a secure password is your first line of defense against potential threats. Once you have entered your password, confirm it to ensure accuracy. Now wait for the wallet to sync completely. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. During this time, be patient and avoid closing the application. Only supported networks and assets will appear once the sync is complete. This step is vital because it ensures that you only see the assets that you can manage within Exodus. You'll be greeted with a list of your assets, confirming that everything is set up correctly. Important. Remember that importing the same recovery phrase means both wallets can access the same funds. This is a critical point to keep in mind, as it emphasizes the need for security. Exodus recommends sending crypto as a regular transaction when possible instead of importing your recovery phrase. This method can help avoid potential complications. Finally, never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Keeping this phrase private is essential for your financial security. Be cautious and vigilant about where you enter this sensitive information. Following these guidelines will help you maintain control over your cryptocurrencies. With these steps completed, you have successfully connected your MetaMask wallet to Exodus. You are now ready to manage your assets seamlessly across both wallets. Thank you for following along and enjoy your experience with Exodus.